There's been a major image update from DeepMind nicknamed Nano Banana, and I'm going to show you how it works. Open Gemini, and if you see this prompt, click it to launch the new image model, and you'll see the tool selected here. If you don't see it here, click on the tools icon and just select create images. To add an image, click add files, add your files from Drive or upload an image. Write your prompt and describe how you want to change the image. Then press enter or return on your keyboard and your picture has changed instantly. You can also ask Nano Banana to combine images. Add your images, write your prompt to describe how you want the new image. And press enter on your keyboard and your new image has been instantly created. Other things you can do are, for example, interior decor. I've selected an image of an empty room. Write your prompt. And press enter on your keyboard and your image has been enhanced instantly. Let me know what you think of this AI model in the comments. Subscribe for the best computer tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.